Hey, hello, and welcome back to my channel, Cyrus Creations. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. I'm so thankful for all of you. Today, I'm here with another yum recipe. Before that, if you're new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can get further updates. If you already have subscribed, I really appreciate you guys, and I'm sure you're already enjoying a wonderful projects over here. Our today recipe is I'm gonna teach you how to make a quick, simply and easy yum glazed sweet potato casserole. You can prepare this recipe couple days ahead and you can save a lot of stress time. I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe, so let's go ahead and start it. So for our sweet potato casserole, we have needed a medium size 4 baked sweet potatoes. I already have a baked. I had to put the temperature 350 and I baked them 13 by 13, like 1 hour or 50 minutes, whatever time it's take until they are softened. You can use even a canned sweet potatoes, but I prefer fresh one. Then we need 2 tablespoons butter. We simply just gonna heat up our pan. And we are going to prepare our glaze. This is the quickest and easiest recipe. So while our butter is all melting down, I want to show you. So I'm using fresh glazed sweet potatoes yum glaze, which is already ingredients are mixed. But if you want to make your own, you can just use maple syrup. You can use a couple drops of lemon juice and brown sugar and some cinnamon on that. But this is very handy. I find this on a giant food. But if you couldn't find this, you can use the other recipe. Just use the equal ingredients. So I'm using 1 pack of this. They already have a full recipe on a bag, but I am using more potatoes and less this. Okay. Bring that a little down. All right, now we are going to add some water too, so that will help us to have a nice glaze for our potatoes. Okay, I have used a half cup of water. And now we will wait till the water got boiled and turn into the glaze form. And as you can see, it's already start bubbling. Just make sure that don't burn from bottom. Okay, now bring the heat little down, and if you see, it's already is getting thicker. All right, so now we can add our potatoes into that. If you want to mash them separately, you can do that one, but I'm gonna put all them together and I will mashing them inside of my dish. Because they are baked well, so it's easy to just mix them together with a spatula. And I have baked them almost like a 1 hour. I had to cover them in a tray with the aluminum foil so they cooked under the steam. We will cook them until the glaze get mixed into all our potatoes. And that's one of my husband's favorite recipe. You can use only marshmallows on the top later on a Thanksgiving day. You can use only pecans on your casserole and just bake it. You can use a pecans and brown sugar on top of this and bake it. There's just so many different ways to present your sweet potato. Alright, so our sweet potatoes are almost ready. Now we're just gonna take them to our other baking pan, whatever you want to use. I'm gonna use a glass baking pan because I want to present my sweet potatoes on a Thanksgiving on the same dish. So just go ahead and grab a baking pan, and then we're just gonna move these potatoes into our baking sheet. So I have a baking sheet here. We're just gonna move. Just make sure don't burn your hands. Okay. You can leave like this and just on a Thanksgiving day put the toppings on the top of that and bake it. But I just gonna use pecans on top of this, and then I will wait till it's got cooled down. I will wrap with the aluminum sheet, and you can freeze it or you can just put it in a refrigerator. I'm gonna leave it in a refrigerator because it's just like 2 days in a Thanksgiving. So we are just layering up our pecans. And that's it. I will just leave like this, and on Thanksgiving day I just gonna sprinkle brown sugar on top of that and we'll bake it. Because if you're gonna put brown sugar with that and cover it, it's gonna become a liquidy. Brown sugar gonna melt it. We want to have a crispy flavor, crispy look on top of that. You can also put the marshmallow on the top of this layer as well, and your recipe is almost done. And as you can see, we have prepared beautifully sweet potato casserole together. If you're gonna prepare this ahead, this is gonna save tons of time for you guys. I'm sure you have liked our today recipe. If you really do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cyrus Creations. Feel free to share with your family and friends so I can hit more subscribers. I wish you all very blessed, happy, and safe Thanksgiving. Be safe wherever you are. Sending all my love and prayers for you and for your loved one. Know that from my family to your family, a blessed, happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.